Running a growing Discord server but tired of spammers, shady links, and toxic bots ruining your community text channels while you are away from your computer? Welcome back to Techavro. Today, we are setting up Discord's built-in AI auto moderation tools straight from your smartphone to keep your server safe 24/7. Let's build your security shield. First, open the Discord app on your mobile phone, navigate to your server, and tap on the three dots icon right next to your server's name at the top. From the pop-up menu layout, tap on the gear icon labeled Settings. Next, scroll down through the server settings directory list index until you find the safety section and tap directly on AutoMod. Inside the AutoMod setup window, you will see pre-made rules ready to go. Tap on the option called Block Commonly Flagged Words and switch it on. Right below that, look for the Block Spam Content rule and activate it. To make it airtight, tap on Choose Response under each rule configuration parameters box. Here, select Block Message to instantly stop the text from posting and tick the checkbox to send a notification alert to your private moderator channel. Tap the green Save button at the top right and boom, your mobile AutoMod is officially active, keeping your server clean and peaceful. If this mobile security guide helped you lock down your community server effortlessly, drop a big smash on that like button and subscribe to Techavro for more clean tech tutorials. See you in the next one.